morning, everybody. And we are heading to this tour bus to see Y2K. I be want to eat the berries off the trees. I'm trying to be one with nature. Look at her. Hey. Hey. My friends, you don't like them cats, boy. These cats out here are so pretty, and they fur. It don't mean they ain't got rabies, but baby, they gorgeous.
Mykonos, baby, they got them heels. Be ready to walk. Your glutes and hamstrings gonna look nice.
Yes.
Cause you gonna have to charge up these heels.
They do. Make sure you got some good shoes. Cause if you don't, you're gonna be pigeon-toed your way out of here. Look how much room they get you to walk. You see these little cones? Y'all can see them. You better stay in them cones. Cause if you don't, you liable to lose an elbow, a pinky toe, an edge on your head or something. This ain't for the weak of heart. Don't think you gonna come to Greece. You better start working on your steps now. Cause baby, you gonna be highly, highly upset when you come here and this your first time really walking. So I would equal it to the Stairmaster. Do about 10 minutes on that and you ready for Greece, non-stop. You ready. This one is walking outside them cones. She don't want her ankles as bad as she thinks she do.
We don't need another Mercedes.
I think this is us, guys. This might be us. Good morning. Yes. Hi. Good morning. What's wrong? The bus beat me up.
Jonathan Darcel?
Jana, yes.
Jana. Darcel.
Yes.
Great. Remember also the color blue. Today we have two boats, so we give a color to remember. So the two of you have the color blue, okay?
Okay.
Separate in the two groups.
Okay.
Kiren. Okay. Remember color blue.
You wanna be our friend?
Erblin and Bessiana.
I should have put tennis shoes on.
Oh, those hard to walk in. Do you walk in those at the? I know you had tennis shoes at the archaeological site. Right?
Yeah.
I had tennis shoes too. You gonna find out today?
We're gonna find out today. That sun is about to beat us up. It's gonna beat us up today, I can tell. Maybe I should have put my swimsuit on. I think everybody got these swimsuit on. Maybe we should have put our swimsuit on.
I think we'll have time to change.
Change? Okay.
This is Naya, the first mate, right behind
See, this is the boat, y'all, that we taking to get on the yacht.
You already met our guide Helen. Here in the gangway. One big step and then three long. Do not stop in the middle of the gangway.
Ooh.
Hello.
Hi. Ooh. Now this might get me seasick. Okay, look at that water. Oh my goodness. Oh my Jesus.
It's kind of cool though.
We made it on the boat. We made it on the boat. This water is pretty. It's like stuff. It's stuff like, you see like glistening, like iridescence in there. Mmm. I should put sunscreen on.
I put some before I left, but I'm thinking I should have bought a bottle.
I brought some.
Okay. I think I'm good for now. I might have to re-up later.
How he was saying it, I'm glad I bought that junk. It's about to be hot, hot.
I feel it already.
Me too. Child. We are on the boat. We are heading to our first island. I'm excited. This wind is a little nippy. I see why they said to bring a jacket.
A little wind break, but
We're making it to sea, guys. We're almost there. The water has gotten lighter. We're getting.
Infrastructure are attached to the back walls of the buildings of the city. The city was integral part. The left eave was always closed, while its right one was always open. At the end of the two walls, you have to imagine a second door always closed off. Excuse me? Living room? No, it was open air. No. What was this? How did this function? It provided the whole anchor, and to your left now you can see the trident structure called the stake. So you can see a cat there. Today only 20 inches. Today you can understand we can't use them. Marble is a soft stone. Please now turn around. There's a surprise. So, on the lower here in front of the highest mountain.
Uh-oh. Here in the Delos Museum.
With the lunch, like I will leave the windows open, so if you need something, just say, I know, 2 glasses of.
So y'all, I had to mute the video because the music was playing in the background, and y'all know how YouTube does. So when we went on our yacht trip, guys, they fed us. This was a part of the package, and the person over the boat, the / tour guide, she made us pasta. You know, it was a marinara pasta with a great Greek salad and as much wine as you would like. I had an amazing time. This was right after I jumped in the water. You know, y'all make it to the end, you'll see the clips of that, of us jumping in the water. Of course, I have a little, life jacket. That is the wine they gave us. The wine in Greece, y'all, is very, very light. It is nothing like here in the U.S. You probably can drink that whole bottle and still drive and function and whatnot and do not get drunk. And I'm not even a heavy drinker, y'all, so... And yeah, so the pasta was really, really good. And this is what you're seeing right now. Me just talking to the ladies on the boat, getting to know everybody. You know, that's what you do when you go on a trip. You make relationships, okay? You build connections. You familiarize yourself with people's and their stories, okay? And right here, you see us throwing the food in the water. She gave us some bread, and we gave them to the fish. And you see them little fish, like little, oh. But that water is so pretty and so blue. This is the water I jumped in. And for dessert, they served us this, which was apples, grapes, I think some peaches in